Hi everyone, welcome back to Sky HQ. I'm really excited to do this latest video because we're talking about super sections. It's something that has totally revolutionized choosing what to watch in my house. And we know that more and more of you are using apps. And when you don't know exactly what you want to watch, you're going in and out of 2, 3, maybe even 4 apps at a time to find what's right for you, who you're watching with, and the mood you're in. It can take ages. Sky Glass has eliminated this pain with a feature that we like to call super sections. So what are super sections? Well, super sections bring together everything across recordings, apps, on demand and live TV into familiar genres. So all you need to know is whether you fancy a TV show, a movie, or maybe some music. It's all there for you. So let's start with movies. Let me set the scene. It's Sunday afternoon, everyone's on the sofa, kids, parents, and you just want to settle down with a film that everyone's going to enjoy. But you've got no idea which film. Just head to the movie super section, or just say, "Hello Sky, movies." And you're here. Top Pick shows us all the latest and best premieres, so I'll have a quick scan on here to see if anything's jumping out. And my daughter Evie loves Raya, so do I to be honest, so it's an easy choice. But let's say nothing was quite hitting the spot in Top Picks. It's not just about on-demand and apps in this section. You can also see what's playing now on live TV across Sky channels and other film channels. And because it's Sky Glass, don't forget we can restart any of these movies that are playing now. If there's still nothing quite right, just keep going down and you'll find your playlist. Now, this section has all the movies that you save for later, so you can just choose one from here. Maybe you've got a particular genre in mind, like in this case, a family film. So all you need to do is just jump into this section. We've got all the family movies from Sky, Disney, Netflix, Amazon, you name it, it's there. So we've saved hundreds, if not thousands of minutes that would have been wasted clicking through different apps, remembering what's where to reach our decision. And the whole family is now set for a great afternoon. Now I'm going to paint you another picture. We've all been there. When you just finished a great series and you're ready for the next one. Like everyone else, we've just been watching Squid Game on Netflix and we're after something new. I just need to go into my TV shows super section and I can see the best new series from apps, on demand, and even what's on right now. I can also check my playlist to see if there's anything there which is waiting for me. Don't forget, down here there are also genre sections too. So if I know that I'm just in the mood for a drama, it's all sorted here. Finally, I'm going to show you around the audio and music super section. This is fantastic for when you've got people around, you're cooking, and you just want your favorite sounds coming through the incredible Sky Glass speakers. Just like the other super sections, the very best choices are up here in Top Picks. Or you can head straight down to any radio station, any music channel. You've got podcasts, live concerts, audio playlists, video playlists, documentaries, and even musical movies. And that's it. Join us next time for more Sky Glass Explainers.